What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. This is Terry. So I was going through Apollo 17 images again. Just can't help myself, and I found another triangular shaped spacecraft. Some may call it space junk. You got to remember, this is 1972, like I said before. There is not much space junk at that time. This is the picture. I'm going to show you where the picture comes from, and before I show you the craft. Alright, this is how you get to the picture. You go to Apollo Image Atlas. You go to 70mm Hasselblad. You go to Apollo 17 images. You scroll down to right here. Click there. Now the first video I did on the triangular shaped object in the Apollo 17 images is the first one you come to. But we're going to scroll down to 22/7/17, and that is going to be right here. Click on that, scroll down one more time, and here's the image. Alright, now let's zoom in and take a closer look at this thing. Alright, here we go. Look at that. A perfect example of a triangular shaped spacecraft. Now I want you to pay attention to something. Now we see this is a triangle, but you see how it kind of arches in right there. It's not a perfect triangle. Maybe that's made for aerodynamics if you're in an atmosphere. I don't know. I'm speculating. Terry's Theories, right? Okay. Pretty cool, man. It's really amazing. Look at them clouds. But I didn't just find one. I found a few. And I want to show you some more. So I found it pretty amazing. In 1972, during Apollo 17 images, they're taking pictures. Are they taking pictures of this, or are they taking pictures of just, you know, the world in general? Did they see that down there and say, hey, let's take a picture, and maybe somebody will find it someday? I'm sure I'm not the first one to find it, but it's definitely amazing. All right, let's go to another picture. Okay, it's on the same frame here, or same archive, excuse me. Alright, so we're looking for 22/7/54. Excuse me, 22/6/54. Alright, 34, 39, 22/6/54, right here. This is the picture. Go to scroll down, print resolution. Here's the photograph. Alright, so let's zoom in on it. Alright, this is the photograph. Now we're going to zoom in. Right there. Same craft, different angle. Now you can see, like I said before, it's not a perfect triangle. It had arches in. It almost looks like a fighter jet. Could this be a extreme altitude jet slash air spacecraft? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know why we would have that and be riding around in a Coke can up here. I mean, could it be you know, another race, comes from somewhere else? Could it be a UFO? Could it be ours? Man, I hope it's ours. But yeah, there's another picture. I've got one more to show you guys. Now I believe that this is the same craft, and I've noticed these two together. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a square-shaped object, and I've seen it accompanying this triangular-shaped object more, you know, a couple of times. And some say space junk. Like I said, 1971, not a lot of space junk. You know, we're just venturing off the planet, but yet somebody's already there. Alright, let me show you another picture. So this is the photograph that I want to show you. So let's zoom in and let's get a closer look, guys. Alright, so we're looking for 22/7/20. Now this is the one that I also found what looked to be the Black Knight satellite in it. So I want to we'll revisit that. All right, 22,720 right there. Scroll down. This is the picture. All right, let's get a closer look at it, guys. Okay, now this is, I did a video on this a couple weeks ago. We'll start off with what I think may be the Black Knight satellite, and it's right there. I think you guys have seen the video before. That looks pretty similar to the shape of what we think the Black Knight looks like. A little different, but that could be it, or it could be something totally different, but it's definitely something there. And the other triangular shaped objects right here, I believe Scott C. Waring called it heart shape. You can tell it looks pretty cool, man. It looks like a wedge. It's got like 2 points on the end, and it's got a blunt. The end is blunt on the back of it. And then there's this other square object right there, same one I was talking about earlier. So, you know, then again, you know, the year is 1972. There's not any space junk in the atmosphere. I can't imagine, in this orbiting the Earth, I can't imagine, you know, there being much. And these same objects, and this is the continent of Africa. Right here, it's right above Africa. So cool, man. This is cool. And this stuff is out there. It's real. Or, you know, it's real space junk in the shape of a triangle, like I said before. But there it is. I got one last photo to show you of this object, and let's get to it, okay? All right, we're going to go to 22,718, which is right there. We click on it. This is the image. Beautiful image. Now let's go look at the picture. All right, here we go. We're going to zoom in, and it's right there. It's a little bit fuzzier. Maybe it's on an angle. Might not be the same object. It's in wedge shape, triangular shape. So what do you think? Maybe I'll reach on this one, but I believe that it's the same object. And this is reaching the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd rather do research stuff like this than, you know, post other people's videos of cool sightings, but I got to fill in the gaps while I do my research, and that's kind of what I do. And I hope you enjoy my channel, Terry's Theories, and I hope you get something out of it. Like and subscribe and share, and if you can donate, that'll help us. And I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. So thank you for subscribing to my odd channel. This is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.